Acha. So in our session today we will discuss the cell reference in Excel. So cell reference can be two types mainly. Those are relative and absolute. First one is relative cell reference. Suppose we having result. So name of the school, South Point, right? Address, address, Kolkata. AGC Bose Road, Kolkata. Class. Just we want to give border. Name, name of student. Roll, marks. Name, roll, marks. Total. Percentage. Grade. Marks. Language. Maths. Science. Arts. We want to merge it. 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 Just have to merge it. Now we have to increase the font size. Select all and increase the font size to 16. Double click on the cell. It will expand automatically. Okay, this is the result for students of class 6 of South Point, right? Student name Sujata Srinidhi Sampurna Uditi Sohikat Saurabh Souvik. Yeah, those are the name of the student. Increase the font to 14. Roll number, press 1. Press Ctrl and drag. It will come automatically. Language, Sujata got 45. And the number with out of 100. Now we want to fill it, increasing 3 up to 70. So how to fill? Go to fill, click on series, click on column. Step value should be your 3 and stop value should be 70. Press OK. It will increase automatically. Now got 80. Now we have to fill it in descending order. So how to do this? Go to fill, series, column, -3 and it will be up to 50. Okay, it will come in descending order, right? Now science marks will be arbitrary marks. Suppose science having 67, this having 30. Now we have to select both the data and drag it. It will increase by 3 automatically. Now we have to align those data center, and arts mark should be your choice. Okay, now we have to create total is equals to sum. Select all the data, bracket close and enter. It will calculate and drag the data. So percentage, how to find out the percentage? Equals to the total marks of 10 divided by total marks. Total marks, there are 4 subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total marks would be 400. So divide it 400, put a bracket over there, put a bracket over there. Here you have to put one bracket, multiply by 100. So 68%. This is the rule for percentage. Now you have to put, as the school is South Point, the percentage of marks given 70 minimum to pass. So more than 70 will be pass and less than 70 will be fail. So how to do this? Press if, select percentage column, lesser equals to 70 is lesser equals to 69 will be your fail, otherwise it will be pass. So this is fail candidate, drag it, fewer fail and fewer pass. How to do this? Now select all the data, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to fail is given as red color. All select the data, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to pass will be the green color. Press OK. Now we are entering another data. This is my another data. I am putting some marks. Pass 79%, and again drag the roll. Okay, so conditional formatting is applied in this cell. Okay, clear? The entire thing is done by the relative cell reference. Why? Because here the cell reference is C6 F6. In the next cell the cell reference is C7 F7. So it will applied in all the cells relatively. So this is known as relative cell reference. So now we will discuss if that is absolute cell reference. So what we need to do? So here I am inserting another column. Here I am putting fees, scholarship 50% for past students. Okay, so fee scholarship 50% for past students. So now we are inserting another cell. Unmerge all the cells. Unmerge. Now percentage. Fees. So how much the fees? Fees is our 50,000. And for the past student, so scholarship how much? 50%. So now the fees should be Now the fees should be applied fees. Applied fees should be for pass and fail. So 50% is the scholarship, right? So applied fees how much? Equals to if grade equals to fail, then the fees should be 50,000, right? Otherwise the fees should be 50,000 multiply this. Press F4 key for dollar and bracket close, enter. So 50,000. So 0. So just one thing we have to do. First, applied fees, normal fees. Okay, fees. Fees 50,000, right? So fees 50,000. So scholarship. Acha. Now we have to create another field, insert past student fees. This is normal fees. This is our normal fees, right? Past students fees, and another cell we have to insert fail student. Past student fees is okay. Fail student fees is normal fees, right? So past student fees is how much? Equals to this multiply this. So 25,000, right? Clear? And now what we need to do? We have to put equals to if, just 1 minute. We have to give the fees over here. Fees. Now just we have to merge it. Format printer. Apply this. Margin center. Margin center. Margin center. Margin center. Margin center. Margin center. Margin. Now what we have to do? We have to put the border, right? Okay. As per principal order. Okay. Fees. So fees would be equals to if grade equals to fail. The fees should be how much? Fees should be normal fees. Otherwise the fees should be how much? This one, right? Bracket close and enter. So normal fees, if the candidate is passed, a fail, the fees should be normal fees. Otherwise the fees is past fees. Now we have to drag it. This are not coming. These are not coming. Why? Tell me. Yes, the cell reference is fixed here. So now how to do this? Equals to if percentage less than equals to 70, then fees should be 50,000. Otherwise fees should be 25,000. Now it will come automatically. right? Dollar means this cell reference is fixed on that particular position. The value will not be copied to the another cell. This is called absolute cell, right? Now, if we if we put only the percentage over here, now we have to write down both the values. First one is my 50,000 and second one is my 25,000 and press OK. Now we have to drag it. This is also not coming because the cell reference in Excel not able to copy from one position to the another. If we want to take this value in that position, how to do this? Just we need to think the calculation in another way. How to do this? Just select this value into this value using dollar sign. Press enter. Now we have to drag it. Now that also not coming. Why? সেল রেফারেন্সটা কার উপর ভিত্তি করে হচ্ছে? 50,000 এর উপরে, ওটাও তো অ্যাবসলিউট, দুটোতেই ডলার দিতে হবে। তাহলে এবার দেখো কিভাবে হবে, ভালো করে মন দাও বাবু। সেল রেফারেন্স কার উপরে বেস করে হচ্ছে? এই 50,000, এটাও তো ফিক্সড, তাহলে এখানেও ডলার লাগাও। মাল্টিপ্লাই কার উপরে? 50%, এটাও তো ফিক্সড, এটাতেও ডলার লাগাও। এবার দেখো আসছে কিনা বাবু। কি? ইয়েস, দ্যাটস কামিং। ওকে, তো অ্যাবসলিউট সেল রেফারেন্স এক জায়গায় থাকলে শুধু এক জায়গায় ডলার লাগাবো নয়, দু জায়গায় আছে মানে দু জায়গাতেই ডলার লাগাবো। হ্যাঁ, অ্যাবসলিউট হলেই ডলার, ফিক্সড হলেই ডলার। আবার দেখাচ্ছি, এটা তোমাদের বোঝানোর জন্য আমি ভুলটা করে দেখালাম। নাও ইকুয়ালস টু if grade equals to fell. So fail means what? Fail means normal this cell, but this is fixed, so I have to press F4 again. And otherwise this cell, F4 multiply 50%, F4 50%, press F4, then enter. Now drag, right? It's come, not an issue. Clear? So whenever there are absolute cell reference in many places, each and every place you have to press F4, convert it into absolute, then it will work, otherwise it will not work. Clear? Absolute and relative. Okay, thanks for watching.